Morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and here you go. Connie's wanted to come out and stretch her legs. She's on my shoulder at the moment. It's a little bit wet and rainy. Might go down in a second. Been raining all night again. Cats have been fabulous. We've had Rainbow, Connie and Chief use the little tray. Bentley actually used it outside the van yesterday, which was amazing. Really, really good. Really pleased to see. They're obviously adapting to the fact that, you know, when they're shutting, they've got to use the little tray. Good deal. But obviously, Connie likes to get out as soon as she can, to stretch her legs and have a bit of wander. I would go just with her, but Chief is on my shoulders. I feel safe up there. May go down in a bit. Yesterday we were out about 6 o'clock and the construction man started going up this lane, so try not to get stuck on the lane too much. We're just having a different look at the moment, different area. You see it's so wet. Nice to hear the birds singing. Hello Chief. Hello Chief. Good boy. You sat on my shoulder. Aren't you? You going down? You go down? Good boy. Just thought I'd quick video in. We're being so wet again. I'll be spend most of the day doing some YouTube videos. I've learnt how to edit now. So I've got loads and loads of videos I've got to put together and process and make new things out of. And cats have had a lot of sleep, but obviously you can see the cat's getting up so early. I'm trying to shut them in at night time from about sort of 10, 11 o'clock at night to teach them to use the little tray and just so they're me to asleep. If it's raining, that's fine, they're usually okay doing that. But when it's a nice day outside, obviously I want to be out. Hopefully we'll get some nice weather today. And I can tether them outside. As I say, these savannas are a 24/7 job. They'll be up and out whenever they want to be and exercising them and watching them all the time. Look at you. Alright. Go on then. Where you want to go? Oh, what's Chief there? What's Chief want to do? Chief going down? Go on then, Chief might go down. I'm trying to bend down so he comes off my back. Chief, you're going down? So we can get him off. Oh, he's falling off. Ow, no. Sorry about that. Chief didn't go down very well, and Connie came up to his rescue as I dropped my phone. So, bit of a calamity there. Chief said he's not coming off my shoulder. You're going to go in the bag then, Chief. Where's in the bag? In the bag, Chief. In the bag. In the bag. Good boy. Go in the bag. That's it. Good lad. Oops. Get your bum in. Get your bum in. Oh, tangled down my neck. Alright, Connie. And Connie's coming up to join him. Is Connie coming up as well? Alright. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. He doesn't want to come out in the rain. Excuse me, I'm just getting sorry. Alright, there we go. You can see Connie's protecting me. There you go, that's a bit better. What? What? Yeah. He's alright. Go on, go for a walk, Connie. Get on, Connie cat. Okay. Come on then, this way. Come on. She's sort of half in and half on the bag. Not quite sure he wants to go down yet. He wants to be part of the walk. Good boy. Alright. Let's go, Connie. Going back to the van. Come on, it's enough. Come on. Back to the van, Connie. Good girl. We'll walk this way. Come on. Oh, you might go down. You're going down? Yay, good boy. There you are. You might walk back to the van. You go back to the van, Chief. A bit of a stretch of his legs. There we go. Got 2 cats out now. corner that just wants to be protected and stay safe together. Where you gone, Chief? What are you doing? Well then, this way. Come on then, babies, this way. Come on, Chief. Oh, she's gone to him and she's calling, he's not sure. Bless him. Come on, Chief. Come on, it's a good boy. Come on, it's okay. Good girl, Connie. Yes, I know, he's okay. Come on, Chief. He wants to explore, but he's also a little bit of a grumble and a growl and a squeal. Good boy, Chief. Just making sure he's safe. You can hear her talking to him. She's very good. She's being maternal with him when she's with him, and this is why we go to a walk on our own, so she can focus on her bit of attention and her bit of exploration. Good girl. Hi, Chief. Right, so I'm going to turn the video off now and let him walk back to the van slowly. Alright, good boy, and just watch cats on cobbles. I'll catch you later. Bye for now.